There you go. Okay, we're gonna head to 270. That supposedly has the best roast beef sandwich on board. We're gonna check it out. This is a very cool lounge that is at the front of the ship, I think. Check out this lounge. It's very dark in here right now. We are on the Anthem of the Seas, and I can see the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is out there. Let's see if I can find her. Where are you? See the Statue of Liberty?
Yep.
I can't find her in my viewfinder. There she is. There's the Statue of Liberty.
That's Manhattan over there.
I've never seen the Statue of Liberty. My bag's gonna fall. And here comes a big old boat right past the window.
The Amy C. McAllister.
There's Manhattan. Very cool. I'm so excited I got to see the Statue of Liberty. And there she is. Back onto a ship. Look at these guys. Lynn.